Mick and Max from IPD. Guess what? We're taking over garage sale. It's Saturday, May 18th, 2024.
This year we partnered with a great charity called Gales Creek, and it's a camp for kids with diabetes who want to have fun over the summer and normally can't. They're based out of here in Portland, Oregon, and if you have any more information you want to know, it's all on our blog on our website. For over 25 years, Chris Delano has been in charge of organizing garage sale. This year, Max and I are going to take over, and we're going to make it something special for everyone to enjoy this year as well.
Ha! Hey guys, what's going on? Chris Delano here. Like these guys said, I'm passing the baton over to Mick and Max to take over this year's garage sale. Last year was our 60th event. It was my 25th year doing it. I'm done. This year, I want to hang out in the crowd. I want to pass the torch over to these guys because I trust them. They've been longtime employees here at IPD. They love the Volvo community, but what's more important, they love raising money for our local charity, which is Gales Creek Camp. You can check out more information on our blog. I'm still going to be here, but I'm going to be behind the scenes. I'm turning everything over to these two to run, organize, and make a great show for you guys. So check out the blog and check out more information on our social media channels. You can always call us here at IPD, but these guys are taking over, and I can't wait to see what they do this year and make an amazing show.
You'll be here in a lawn chair.